1. Most people do push-ups wrong. Keep your body straight like a plank. Lower your chest to the ground, then push. This one move builds your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Do this every day and watch your upper body transform. 2. Want bigger, stronger legs? Drop into a squat below parallel. Keep your chest up, knees out, heels down. Your quads, hamstrings, and glutes all fire at once. Squat deep, squat heavy, grow faster. 3. Stop doing crunches. Do planks instead. Hold your body rigid. Don't let your hips drop. Your abs, back, and shoulders all work together. 60 seconds a day is all you need. Build a rock-solid core starting now. 4. One exercise, maximum back growth. Grab the bar. Pull your elbows down and back. Feel your lats stretch and squeeze with every rep. Pull-ups give you that wide V-shaped back. Master this and your physique changes forever. 5. The deadlift is the king of all exercises. Hinge at the hips, lock your back, drive through your heels. Every muscle in your body activates at once. More strength, more muscle, more power. One lift, total body dominance.